camera be acting funny today.
Yeah. Do a run for us. Pallets. Plastic pallets. Plastic. Yeah. It's gonna be fun over here. Well, that trailer's in the way there with the truck on it. Come down through here and swing, not over there, but back this way. Ooh, like drop the camera. And swing, go all the way right there, swing all the way around. I ended up somewhere right there. I should have been right there one. And I backed up 2-3 times and finally got up there and yeah. Be aware when you do favors. That's the take 2 on this one. Landline. The truth about the driver shortage. Hey, it's not a driver shortage out here. There's companies, all these companies have exceeded the pool. You know, if there's only 2.2 million drivers and you have a 20% turnover rate, how you gonna keep filling it up? And if there's only 2% coming back, we're gonna be at 1.5 million for long. So it's about building a fleet from the student to cover the driver shortage that I can figure out. Read that article if you want to. We'll talk to you later. Let me turn the air down. Drivers, stop what you're doing right now. Go get you a spare key, mate. This is one of the best tips. Because you'll jump out of these trucks with these electronic locks, or your arm hits over here at the fuel island, or your little puppy, or your little kitty cat, or a bird, or lizard, or whatever you got riding around in the truck will jump these windows. I finally had to make it a point in my life to check my pockets, make sure I had a key in it. I used to keep one under the hood, but I think the guy that services it at the shop, he found it and cut it off. But keep you a spare key under the hood, under over here where the depth tank is. Put it on that wire, tie wrap it where you pull the air lines somewhere, because hey, some of these jackrabbits out here want to charge $200 to come out and open the door for you. Just keep that in mind. We'll catch up with you later. Okay, a little ride along here. If you know where I'm at, you know where I'm at. He pulled out in the road too far, didn't he? I don't think that orange shop, it says closed for the season. But wouldn't this be the orange season? Oh well. I like that palm tree there. Well, if you know, you know where I'm at. Rolling and rolling. Well, when you first get up in the mornings, is it raining again? Oh Lord. Well, it is now officially 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. I've got to use the restroom. So let's go in and see how busy how many parking spaces. Woo! Pull out in front of me there. There is one parking spot there. Two parking spots. Two parking spots at 6 o'clock. That is lovely. Alright, later I got to stop up here and go to the restroom. Well, when it starts storming like this, woo, plug your barbecue chicken up. Alright, we'll see how it turns out later. I believe the storm is about to pass. Woo. Truck wash. Oh no, here we go again. Empty trailer. See that tree moving? Probably a good decision to stop. And that is pieces of hail hitting the truck too. Oh no! We're getting beat up. Lord help goodness. There gotta be a tornado in this hailstorm. Oh no! Hang on! Oh no! Is that a tornado coming? Oh no! Blowing that ice, and you see it popping in the truck? See that stuff worth fleeing. Oh! Oh! Y'all gotta quit blowing! Oh Lord, I gotta clean the water up over there.